Hello, welcome to India Sister's Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata.
today we are going to make badam milk.
This is a healthy drink that is perfect for all ages from children to elders. Before that, subscribe to India Sister's Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
First, let's boil 1 liter of milk. While it's boiling, add 1 pinch of saffron. It gives a nice color, flavor and taste. Let it continue to boil. I have 100 grams of almonds soaked for 3 hours in hot water. Peeled, skin and ready. Let's add some milk and grind it in a mixie. Milk is boiling. Add 100 grams of sugar to it and mix it well. Keep mixing for 2 minutes.
Make sure the milk doesn't stick to the pan, so keep mixing.
Badam milk is an all-seasonal drink. You can drink hot, you can refrigerate it and drink cold. Sugar melted. Now let's add the ground almond that we have ready. Keep mixing for 2 minutes in moderate flame.
Instead of bottled and tin drinks, we should make something fresh like this for our family.
Milk, sugar, almonds all mixed well for 2 minutes. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 pinch of salt. Also, I have shredded almonds, cashew nuts and pistachio. Add this as well. You can add whatever you have out of this, all optional, but gives good taste. Sprinkle on the badam milk.
You can add whatever you have at your home.
A healthy badam milk is ready. Try making this offer to your family.
If you like this video, like, share and comment. We will meet you with another recipe. Thanks for watching our video.